Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Urbanista Miami headphones and I'm going to show you where you can easily find your user manual. At first you have to open your web browser and here you have to search for Urbanista Miami user manual. And as you can see, here we have Support Center Urbanista official store. And here we have to search for our headphones, which are Miami headphones. And as you can see here, we have Miami headphones. You have to tap on user manual, and this is our user manual. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.